check out this really cool ancient redwood. It's so cool. I love the color. Every year for my birthday, I buy myself something nice. Now, in the past years, that was usually a purse, some jewelry, but for the last couple of years since I started woodworking, I bought myself wood. If you guys remember, last year for my birthday, I purchased 3 of those boxes, the mystery boxes from Northwest Timber. This year I bought more wood for myself. Monday is going to be my birthday, so I treated myself with something pretty nice and I want to share with you. So let's open this box and see what I got. I also got myself one of those nice surf prep sanders with the squishy bottom. So when that shows up, I'm going to show you that too. But for now, let's see what kind of wood I got. I hope you guys appreciate me lifting this huge box on top of my bench. I did it all by myself and it's very heavy. First piece over here, we have a really pretty piece of Buckeye burl. Very pretty piece of wood. I absolutely love the blue hues on it. I love the gnarliness. It's gonna make some amazing charcuterie board. So this is my first piece of wood. Next one, another Buckeye's burr. I really love this kind of voids in it. That's gonna look so pretty when I fill it with epoxy. Really a cool piece of wood. Let me just spray with some water, just in case you're not familiar with Buckeye's burr. I want to show you the color. If I can find my water bottle. So I'm going to spray it over here. So it's spalted. Look at that. Isn't that really cool? I really like Buckeye. All right, next piece. Another one. Very cool piece. So that is nice. Oh, this one I like. It has this void in here. Really cool. Here is one more, and I think this is the last of the Buckeye. Really cool pieces. I love this kind of crazy shape. And oh, now there's one more of the Buckeye, and then we have different species of wood. So here is the last one. Really neat. All right, we'll take this little box out. And now here we have some of my favorite species of wood. And that is some ancient redwood. I'm gonna show you the colors on this one too. So that's my first piece. This is another smaller piece. These are gonna make some really cool charcuterie boards, crosses. This one has a cool void. I really love the voids. We're getting into the bigger pieces, and I have a lot of redwood on my shop already, but the price was right. I had to jump on it and grab it. So that's why I got it. All very thick, all the redwoods, they look like they're about 2 inches. So I can resaw them if needed. I don't know where I'm gonna find a place to store all these guys. Now we're getting into some bigger pieces. like this ones. Cool piece. Here is another one. Another big one in here. I am going to have so much fun with this, guys. Very cool grain on this one. Here is another one. And these woods, they are all kiln dry, so they're ready to use. And this is the last two pieces. I'll show you what the color of this redwood looks like. Let me go get another piece that is milled. So here is a cool piece that I bought at the last auction. This is redwood as well. Let me spray with some water. So this is the color of ancient redwood. Isn't that really cool? Very, very, very cool wood. So that was pretty much my gift for myself this year. I just wanted to share this moment with you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.